Hi everyone, Goldie here with another episode of Living Room Confessional. Today we have a surprise guest, Red. Thanks so much for having me, Goldie. So we needed a new air conditioner, and my husband wanted to save money. So we ended up getting a loud unit that freezes our home. And now we're paying extra to cover the rise in our energy bill. So I would go down the road to grandmother's house, but she keeps her home so warm. Thanks, Grandma. I couldn't bear the heat. Your house, though, the temperature is always just right, and I'm more comfortable here than anywhere else. I'm sorry to hear about your AC troubles. You know, you'd be surprised to learn that choosing the right company to install your AC is more important than the kind of AC you choose. That's why we decided to trust Just Right Heating and Cooling when it was time to replace our AC. They were the only company to recommend we get 3 bids to make sure we were getting the best value. From the first call, we knew Just Right was the best choice for us.
You're never too hot, you're never too cold, you're always just